Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can tell by the title of this video, your girl has a solution to everyone that's trying to make some money really quickly, really fast, and it's very easy and legit. So if you guys would like to see how I'm making money, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so if you guys have not seen it all over Instagram, Facebook, wherever, there is a great app that is giving away absolutely free money. All you have to do is simply refer people using your referral link, and they're going to give you $15 to your account. That is it. Basically, the app is a cashback app. So if you guys like to shop at Denny's, eat at Denny's, shop at Walmart, Target, Hallmark, Sam's Club, Forever 21, things like that, they're going to give you a percentage of your cash back on your purchase every single time you shop at those stores, your local stores, or your online stores. So it is a great app. I actually use it for my cash back because, y'all, I shop a lot. So, hey, I need all the money I can get back into my pockets. But other than that, they are doing a great promotional referral promotion, right now. They actually did it last month, and I actually took advantage of it, and I did make $171. I will insert a picture of it here, and yes, I was paid, so therefore it is not a scam, y'all. I'm not scamming y'all. I have an old kid. I'm not trying to scam nobody and be in jail. So yeah, this is a legit company and a legit app, and they are just giving away free money. I've seen people collect thousands of dollars with this app. Hey, y'all better get on this money train. And yeah, guys, so all you have to do is, I will leave everything down in the description box below. You're going to click that link that's in the description box, follow the instructions. You're going to link your debit card, because you must link a debit or credit card to that. That is going to just for your cash back purposes, and then they have to have something to apply your earned money onto. So you have to link a debit or credit card to the account, and then you have to verify your account through your email, and then you guys are set to go. Your referral link will actually be under your social tab of the app. So if you guys have any questions, I will leave my Instagram and my Snapchat usernames throughout the video here, so you guys can ask me questions and I will help you make money. So yeah, don't forget to click the link down below. Create your account, link your bank cards, whatever cards you use to go shopping with mainly, and then verify your account, and you are good to go and start making this money, y'all. The promotional offer ends on January 21st, so we have a little bit of time. I already yesterday made $165, so hey, it is a plus. So don't forget, guys, follow the instructions down below and hit me up on Instagram or Snapchat, and let's get these coins, y'all. Bye, guys.